back to Finnegan Begin Again. Episode 13, I think, maybe. First episode of 2023.
I think it might be 12.
I thought we just issued 12.
Oh.
Yeah, well, we're getting up there. Sorry it's been a long time since we've been producing videos. Bed life has been busy. I've made a couple trips to the East Coast. We had a baby. We've had some medical issues. Let's fix your jacket. Get your jacket on right. We're gonna be on camera. You got
Dad,
looking good.
I'm ducking so I don't get in your way.
Well, they want to see you on the camera.
But you have to have a jacket. I don't want a jacket.
Oh well, but if you don't want a jacket, you need to go inside. Anyway, I've been collecting pieces, and today is the day we're gonna unbox some of those pieces. Pretty much have all the pieces necessary to complete the engine, and then also some parts for the body of the car itself. So, without further ado, let's get into opening some boxes. Some of these boxes have been here for a while, and I haven't opened them yet, and I've kind of forgotten what they are, so it'll be an adventure for all of us.
Should I talk?
Let's see. Sure, you can talk.
And we haven't opened a lot of them. We're opening some today.
Oh, this is a true swan neck shifter for 1939. This is the correct shifter that we need for our transmission. Sure, and it's the right color too.
And then
Okay, next one.
Then we're opening our next box. I know. But then they don't. It's kind of hard. There's tables.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Let's see. Clutch stabilizer.
Oh.
Oh yes, this is an accessory. This is an accessory that goes under the car, mounts to the frame to the clutch itself, and stabilizes the clutch, keeps it from vibrating. So you can put that back in the box that we took it out.
So every box we do is
Here you go, Warren.
completely new.
That's right.
So we're doing all of them.
Okay, put that back on the ground. Raleigh, bring me another box.
I think we're doing all
Oh,
of them.
big one.
We're
Okay.
doing it.
Big but light.
This is a big box, and my dad has to cut it all the way. I'm guessing there's something pretty big inside. With lots of paper too. Maybe we're just putting paper in the car?
Yes,
No.
we're just filling the car with newspaper.
Yeah.
Ah, this is a rare piece indeed. This is a piece of trim. This is a piece of trim that goes on the dashboard.
It says Ford car.
1939 Ford car dash. It actually came on the deluxe, but it looks really nice, and I found one I can just put on.
This
So it
is
goes
a
above.
very
It's a
big
piece of stainless steel trim that goes above the instrument cluster and creates a nice line that matches with everything else. So, I don't think we're gonna put that back in there. We'll get it, that one will get lost, so we're gonna put that in the car. Okay, next box.
Right
You can take that for Mama to burn all that paper.
This, okay,
Oh, that one's heavy.
this one is a very, very, very heavy
Okay.
one.
Oh.
So we're doing that one after Rolling, my brother. He's always annoying. I am not.
All right. Let's not air our dirty laundry here on camera.
Dirty
We'll do that in the privacy of our own home.
Dad, what do you mean dirty? What's this?
Oh, this is our new starter. What do you think a starter does?
It starts the engine.
That's right. You push the button, and this engages the flywheel
try?
and starts the engine.
Can I try?
Well, we're not going to do that right now, but yeah. So, yay.
So
a new
now we're
12-volt
doing-
starter since we are upgrading to 12 volts.
So we've done.
Right.
Never
Next
we
one,
done
Molly.
another heavy one. We have done.
Oh.
We're doing
Well.
heavy and big. 4 buckets now. So when we're doing all of the buckets, so when we're done, we're going in our house We're building things, but it's not very made.
Oh, wonderful. Jake sent us a catalog for more things.
One
This
window's-
is our. Pull the bottom box off.
One window's broken and there's a crack.
This is our new alternator that looks like the original generator.
It looks like we're just putting a box in the car.
Yeah, it looks like we're just putting a box in the car, but we're going to open up this box. I'm going to show everybody what's going on. Oh, maybe we're not. Okay, yeah. Okay, so.
Looks like another star. What is this?
So this is actually an alternator,
So we're doing.
but it mounts the same place and the same way, and it looks like the original generator. So even though we'll have our 12 volt update electric, it'll still look original.
And also when we're done doing this, I think
Stop making a mess. Stop making a mess. We just cleaned the garage.
we're going to let me do it this way. I
You
think
can take
we're
that.
going to build the engine.
Okay, Warren, next box.
And then do and Mom, we have this big box of paper for you.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, here's some paper.
Oh, probably the most important part of the vehicle, a new accelerator pedal.
Very small.
We can
We're
apply
doing
our-
another big box.
Power to our new engine.
Hey, no, this is mine. Bring that one over. No.
All right, we're not fighting. In the meantime, fan belt. Yes, fan belt, lovely. It was on sale. So. Do I need to send you two inside?
Bring that to you.
And you're stepping on other stuff.
Dolly, can I have mine?
Now that we've had a little lesson in getting along
Ooh.
and not arguing on camera,
Yeah.
hopefully not in the house,
Yeah.
we're gonna go ahead and open this box. This one, actually, do you remember what this is? This is our exhaust manifolds.
More paper.
More paper. So it makes it exciting.
What
As well
is
as
this?
our
The
extension
engine.
tubes
I know those.
for
It's the
the
thing
manifold to the muffler.
that is the thing that goes on the back.
And then our actual exhaust manifolds.
Oh.
Sorry, we didn't get manifolds. We got headers. We got good classic Reds headers.
That's good. That's what.
The nice thing about these is that they are low, easy flow, but also they're fitted automatically. The way they're designed is for having a dual exhaust. So we've got two of these dual exhausts that already fits around the original steering box and the oil dipstick. That's the two interferences that you have to make sure that you've got clearance for. So Red's design is very old, very classic, and is already built for those two interferences to be met. So we went with that instead of a manifold, and since it's such low power anyway, it's not going to make that much of a difference. Okay, last couple of things here. The boys have gone inside because they are they've lost interest basically. It would be a hindrance. So these are a couple of trim pieces for inside on the dash as well. This is the radio delete cover. Since this one didn't come with a radio and I don't want a radio inside of it, then we need to have this little dash cover to make it nice and pretty. You see it's shined up, repainted. And then this looks like another stainless steel piece for the dash that's for the choke or the throttle. You know, it's probably gonna be a spare, but it came with this, so yeah, I needed that. This, I forget.
That means it's an adventure.
Means it's an adventure, that's right, Rob. Oh, yes. So at a swap meet this past summer, I got a deluxe clock and glove box cover. And with that glove box cover comes a locking glove box pull. And this is that locking glove box pull. It doesn't have the locking cylinder in it, but I have the piece number for that, so I can replace it. So that's what that is. Yes, Raleigh.
Does that locking thing go into the lock on the door?
No, it goes on the glove box. And last, let's see. Oh, these are some braces for the front fenders. Yes, fender support braces. So this attaches part of the front fender back here to the frame. So it's not just the bolts in the side of the body that's holding it on. So another support member. Then for Christmas, yay, some helpful things. Got an air hammer. This is good for separating spot welded panels that I'm gonna need to replace. And then, in anticipation of what's coming, I got a hammer and dolly set.
What's that?
Working body panels.
What's a dolly?
Dolly is a big piece of metal that goes behind that backs up the metal and you actually kind of made the body panel to that surface. So that's it for this video, unboxing video. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'm excited. Nice to get little treasures, and especially when they've been around for a little bit. You can't remember what they are. It's just kind of, oh, I remember getting that now. Yes. It's part of this whole process is kind of as you find things, you collect things, and you know you're going to be using them in the future, so get it while you can. It's kind of like going to Costco. If you don't get it at the time, when you see it there first, it's going to be gone. So sometimes you just have to jump. Well, that'll be it for this video. We're going to get to the body and disassembly of everything that you see here soon. And until then, take care.